Now, though, we're tracking all the updates from the South Carolina Forestry Commission. First responders working to contain the Table Rock Complex wildfire, telling News 19 they have more aerial support focusing on northeastern areas. As we speak tonight, they are working to draw the fire in a new direction to reroute the blaze away from busy residential nearby areas. Earlier today, I had the chance to speak with the Forestry Commission to ask about the latest round of evacuations. Listen.
For those who are evacuated, we know it's a really unsettling time. We understand that there are a lot of family homes here. There's a lot of vacation homes here too, and we are doing everything that we can to protect those. Our local and volunteer firefighters have been wonderful in providing around-the-clock structure protection.
And happening tomorrow morning on Friday, Governor McMaster is going to be over at Table Rock State Park at 11:15 just about. He's going to be with first responders sharing another update. But as a reminder, right now, the entire state of South Carolina is currently under a burn ban. Our chief meteorologist, Efren Afante, keeps talking about this. In case you're unfamiliar with what the burn ban means, News 19 always on your side with answers and explanations. According to the South Carolina Forestry Commission, a burn ban prohibits starting any fire in or adjacent to woodlands, brushlands, or grasslands. And this really includes all types of outdoor burning. Think campfires, bonfires, and open fire cooking. Always be safe. Violation of a burn ban can cost you. It can also lead to a $200 fine or, for first offenses, a $500 fine for a second offense as well. The burn ban, which is in the 20th in the history of South Carolina Forestry Commission, is in effect until further notice.